What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Of course, my name is Chanel. For those who are new here, for those returning, welcome back, and welcome back. So today, of course, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I did this look here, and it's giving breast doll vibes, but that wasn't the move at all. Like, I wasn't trying to like do a breast doll look, but that's what it's giving. So here it is. So yeah, before we get into the video though, I just want to say, like, if y'all have not subscribed to the vibe, subscribe to the vibe. Like, subscribe to it, okay? And then also, you know, if you like this video, don't forget to like, and don't forget to drop a comment, okay? All right, y'all, well, that's that for the introduction. So let's go ahead and get to the video. Okay, so I already prepped my eyelid, and I used the Louise Base in the shade Touch of Frost to prep that. And for my eyeshadow, I am going to use the Morphe 18A Artistry palette, and it is called Blue Your Way. I am going to be using the blue shade here, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. Alright, so next, y'all, I'm gonna take, this is like some little white glitter. Y'all can't really see it, but it's like some, yeah, y'all can't see that. It's some white glitter that I'm just gonna apply on top of the blue to make it just a little bit sparkly. And I'm just gonna dip into it with my finger and then just dab it on. Next, I'm gonna go in with my NK Makeup, liquid liner, the matte one. And of course, I'm just going to do a little bit of a liner, not all the way to my inner tear duct, but just a little bit. I'm gonna show y'all. Alright, y'all, so I already primed my face, and I used the Juno Co, which I don't think y'all can see that, but I used the Juno Co Primer. And today I'm gonna use my MAC Studio Fix for my foundation. Can't get it out. So for my foundation, I'm gonna use my MAC Studio Fix, and then of course I was gonna say I'm gonna foundation my face, but I'm gonna just, you know, put that all over my face. So y'all know what time it is. It's time for the highlight and the contour. So of course for my highlight, I'm going to be using the NYX, oh y'all can't see it, the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Golden Honey. And I'm just gonna highlight under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, a little bit of my forehead, and a little bit of my chin, as well as my Cupid's bow. going to go in with that contour shade. I'm going to contour my nose, my cheeks, the top of my forehead, and my jawline. My Juvia's Place and my Sacha Buttercup. My Juvia's Place Magic Setting Powder is in the shade Gobi. And of course, I'm just going to apply that everywhere that I applied my highlight. Y'all, I thought I was recording me doing my, applying my highlight, but apparently I wasn't, so sorry about that. We just gonna move on to the contour. And I'm going to be using my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. Of course, I'm going to go in with the Sculpt shade, which is the one in the middle, and I'm just going to apply that everywhere I apply my contour concealer, okay? Okay, next y'all, I'm gonna take my NYX Jumbo Crayon Pencil and I'm just gonna apply some of this color, some of this white into my waterline. And this is actually the shade Milk, but of course I'll just be calling it white because it's white. But I'm gonna put that in my waterline just to open up my eye just a tad bit. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna go back in with that Morphe palette and take that that blue shade right here, and I'm just gonna smoke out my bottom lash line. So today I'm gonna be adding some pearls, okay? Pearls for the girls. So I got some extra small pearls, I have some small pearls, and I have some medium pearls. I'm gonna put like 3 extra small pearls like on the outside of my wing, and then of course I'm gonna, well, not of course because y'all don't know, but I'm gonna put some more pearls like on the inside of my eyes, okay? Alright. too up top. But now it's time for a little bit of glow. So of course I'm gonna be going in with my Sacha Glow Kit, and I'm going to be using the shade Snow, which is this, it's a glare on the thing, but it's this white shade here. And I'm just gonna highlight my nose, a little bit of my cheeks, and you know, I like good stuff, okay? My T-zone. Doll vibes, and you know, I can be a doll, it's whatever. But yeah, I think it's cute. It's not something that I would do like frequently, but I feel like this is a cute little look, especially like with the pearls and the rhinestones. I feel like that's really cute. But yeah, I like it. I think it's cute. I will say it's giving very much maybe Brat Styles for like a Halloween. So yeah, that'll be something to keep in mind. Cause yeah, it's cute and it's giving. But yeah, I hope y'all like this video. If so, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the vibe. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. I love y'all. Y'all stay safe, okay?